Hi. Today we're going to tell you about 3 ways home care agencies could benefit from a PPC agency. There are multiple strategies present, like geo-targeting, dynamic search ads, and ad scheduling, to name a few. This can make the process a bit challenging, which is why PPC agencies make it easier to manage your campaigns. Let's get started. Hiring an agency is actually cost-effective. Directly hiring someone to handle your PPC campaigns for you would incur heaps in manpower costs. While taking on an agency may incur a fixed rate, outsourcing to a reliable PPC agency will return the same results at a lower cost. It can help save time. Time is of the essence. Any minute wasted can be a loss for your business. Setting up PPC campaigns doesn't happen overnight since it involves thorough keyword research, dedicated advert writing, close monitoring, and constant updating. PPC requires a certain skill level and expertise. Engaging a PPC management company will immediately ensure that you'll be working with seasoned professionals, the latest technology and tools, and a comprehensive strategy. The professionals you work with will also monitor your campaign's ranking progress for you. You can invest in 2 resources for your home care agency: time and money. Choosing the latter to invest in a reputable PPC agency will deliver results quickly. You'll have your ROI in no time, all the while spending time on the more important aspects of your home care service that you need to make it grow. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.